YouTube. Hey man, what's going on, man? It's your boy Fish, back with another one. And as y'all can see by the title, I'm doing the pros and cons of owning my BMW M340. I've only owned it for about a month now, and I'm gonna just talk about the stuff that I've noticed about it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. All right, man, so I'm not gonna waste no time. We're gonna get into the cons first. So my very first con that I have for this car is that it is a 2020. It's a 2020 M340. And the reason why I'm specifying the year is because if you're somebody that wants to get into a Beamer and you want to get into mods and all of that stuff, and you don't want to be spending so much unnecessary money, I feel like your best bet is to find a 2020. Like a 2020 is like the best year. Anything after 2020, you got to go through a whole process of getting your ECU unlocked, and it takes a minute. Like you got to get it shipped to Finland. I think that's the only spot right now that has access to unlock your ECU. Now I have been told that they got like a piggyback thing that like kind of like semi unlocks your ECU and allows you to tune, from what I've been seeing, but I'm not really so sure. But I do know 100% that you have to get that thing like shipped to Finland just to get it unlocked. So that's the first con. Another con with this car, as y'all can see, my car is modified. It's a stage 2 MHD tune. So with it being tuned, of course, it is a gas guzzler. Like it runs through gas. I'm at the gas station at least every other day. When I say every other day, I mean like every 2 days I'm at the gas station filling up. But at least the gas won't be too expensive. I'll be spending like $40 every time to fill it up. So that's not too bad, but that's still a con. Another thing with this car, another con, is that if you don't take good care of it, bro, you'll be spending so much money to get it fixed. Like for example, I've only had this car for a month. When I got it, I actually got it like this already, for those of y'all new to my channel, but when I got it, I wanted to do some pulls in it. And I want to say, after doing a couple of pulls, I got that little BMW sound of death thing. If y'all don't know what that is, it's like a weird noise. I got that noise, and it told me to add a quart of oil. So that right there's another con right there. Like you're gonna be spending a lot of money on oil to put inside this car if you do a lot of pulls. But if you just drive it in like comfort mode or eco, and you cruise and you don't really dog it out, it's good. So that's a con. Another con for me, like another con that I hate about my car, is that I'm on springs. So as y'all can see in the front, I have a lip on here. This lip literally scrapes everywhere I go just because I have springs. So like, I don't know if I can tell, but look at my lip, bro. My lip is like literally coming off. It actually has adhesive on it, but it's pretty much coming off. So that's another con to having mods, especially when you got springs in your car. Your car is going to scrape massively, bro. And that's one thing that I do not like about my car, is that it scrapes. All right, man, so some more cons of this car is, of course, the maintenance. Like that's one of them highly asked questions when it comes to owning one of these, is what's the maintenance like? So I'm gonna be real, I haven't had no issues with the car after only owning it for a month. The only thing I had to do was get an oil change, which was like $100-something. But I did get offered for 3 years. I was offered to get an oil change at like every 3K to 5K miles for only $240 with BMW. So I guess that's a plus. Another thing is I got to get a brake flush actually in the next couple of days. That's gonna cost like, they quoted me like $400 for a brake flush, bro, which is insane. I was like, I'm gonna think about it. But yeah, the maintenance is crazy on this car, bro. I can't lie, the maintenance to keep your car highly maintained, the maintenance is a pretty penny. But as long as you're not out here driving like a speed racer to where you got a blown tranny or something wrong like that, then you should be cool. So that right there is pretty much all my cons so far with the car. Now let's get into the pros. Now the pros, as y'all can see, I have my hood open. So with just a charge pipe, an intake, and a catalyst, you can get some lovely numbers. Like right now, according to my computer, it says I'm pushing about 500 horsepower. I don't know what I'm pushing to the wheel, but 500 horsepower is lovely, bro. Like that is really good coming from a car like this. Like it has great potential when it comes to tuning. So that right there is a major pro. Let's close the hood. Now, when it comes to the outside of the car, the looks, as y'all can see, I'm pretty sure everybody can agree that this is a lovely car, bro. Like, it looks amazing. It has that sporty luxury look to it. As far as aftermarket parts, you can do so much to it. Like with the headlights, right now I have the LEDs, but you can also get lasers put into this car. Y'all can see the front lip, which I showed y'all. My front lip is actually kind of bent up because of the mods that I have on. I'm sitting on springs, so I guess that right there could have been a con. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but besides that, you can change the lip. You can put any type of lip on here. Like it's so many lips that you can put on this car and make it look lovely. The side, as y'all can see, the tires, like right now it's sitting on super stocks and it looks amazing. So that right there is a pro. Like you can put any type of rims on it and it looks lovely. The mirror caps, right now this right here is the M style mirror caps. You have option between the carbon fiber or the gloss black, which I'm rocking the gloss black right now. The back, all right, now the back of my car. It's like I said, you can put so many aftermarket parts on this car to make it look lovely. Like right now, I'm rocking the stock tail lights. I can put the GTS tail lights on there, and then to make it look lovely. Right now, the spoiler, you have a different variety of spoiler options. Like you can put the high kick spoiler, you can put the little wing spoiler, you can put anything on the back. Also, I'm rocking dual tips. The diffuser, you can put so many different diffusers on the back of here. You can put the diffuser with the LED on it. And like it's just so many options when it comes to aftermarket parts. So that right there is a pro. All right, now some more pros is my interior. As y'all can see right here, I got some nice brown leather seats. It is some cars out there that have bucket seats, but that's like the competition series. Like once you get into the competition series of these cars, the interior gets a whole lot better. But some more pros, I actually love that my car came with ambient lighting. Like a lot of other cars, you don't get ambient lighting like that. Like there's a lot of cars that don't come with ambient lighting. So the fact that I got ambient lighting, that's a major pro. Now that I'm actually sitting here, one of the cons that I will say is that I don't like the fact that BMW still has like the they still got this ugly, like, let me show y'all. It still has the ugly thing right here, whatever this is, whatever it's called. But the pro to that is that I can actually take this off and put like a carbon fiber panel right here instead of this. So that's a pro. The same thing with up here. Like I could change that out and put a carbon fiber panel to make it look better. And the steering wheel too. Another pro to the steering wheel is y'all can see I have aftermarket parts on my steering wheel. I got carbon fiber, a carbon fiber trim all over my steering wheel. I got the carbon fiber paddle shifters. And that just makes this car 10 times better with just those little small, little simple mods. I also got some other things. Like, let me show y'all my horsepower. Like, let's go to my information. As y'all can see my horsepower, it says that right now I'm pushing 560 horsepower. So I won't know for sure until I actually take it on a dyno. But that's pretty sick, bro, to be pushing that much power in this car. So that right there is pretty much all my pros that I can think of. All right, man, that right there is going to conclude today's video. This was my 1 month ownership of owning the 340. If y'all want another one, I'll probably give y'all one after like a year of me owning it, and I'll talk about some more stuff as I get more familiar with my car. But I am extremely happy with this car, bro. Like, it is very reliable. I don't have no issues with it whatsoever. Only issues I had was that one thing with the oil and then my little valve. But other than that, lovely car, man. Like, if you want to get this car, like I told y'all, bro, if you want to get this car and you want to get into mods, try to get you a 2020, man. Try to get a 2020. If not, if you do have to settle for like a newer model, which newer is actually not that bad, but if you do have to get a newer model, just be prepared to have to get it shipped to Finland to get the ECU unlocked and get into mods. But other than that, that's all I got, man. I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next one. Your boy Fish out. Peace.